Once the AdaptD1 is paired with your phone, the earbuds will be shown on the home screen, along with the battery status. If there is a firmware update available, a pop-up window will appear. Press to update the device to the latest firmware. Choose between ANC on, ambient mode, and off by tapping the buttons in the ANC and ambient settings section. If you select new settings, these will be saved automatically when you close the app. From the home screen, you have an overview of the sound presets and equalizer settings. Here, you will find several presets, which you can cycle through by tapping on your screen. You can choose EPOS Signature, the preset designed by our audio experts for a neutral sound. Voice enhancements, optimized for podcasts and content where the voice clarity is the core of the user experience. Additionally, you can choose bass boost, treble boost, or bass and treble boost. In the bottom menu, you can choose to see devices that are known to your EPOS Connect app. Choose the headset icon to connect or disconnect your AdaptD1. You are also able to forget a device to remove it entirely from your EPOS Connect app. You can change your headset settings by tapping on the settings icon. You can adjust the side tone on your headset and enable or disable audio limiters that are defined by country regulations. Tone and voice prompts for personalized enablement. You can enable or disable tone and voice prompts as well as customize the language. Clear pairing list to forget all Bluetooth devices. See the latest firmware version installed and if it is up to date. Smart pause that starts and pauses audio playback when you put in or take out your AdaptD1. Tap the mobile icon to enter app settings. Here you will find useful assistance, guides, and feedback.